Do you eat so much that now you're eating in the bathtub?
Hey.
What?
Eat.
Eat? Yeah. Are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
Repeat. I want Bobby.
What's this?
David.
What is it?
David.
Strawberry. That's right. Do you want a strawberry?
Please.
Yes.
Please.
Please. Okay. Please, Mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is that good, strawberry? Do you ever stop eating? Can you look at Mommy? I know, I see. There's a fly in here. Uh-huh, fly. Can you get the strawberry out of the tub? Out of the water? Yeah. It's not going to taste very good. Do you want more to eat?
More.
Mm-hmm. What? Strawberry? You have some in your mouth. No more? What do we say? Please, Mom? Okay. One more.
One more?
Yes. There you go. Now what do you say?
Thank you.
That's good. You're so polite.